Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS listening. First, understand the test format. The listening test has 4 sections, each with 10 questions, totaling 40 questions. You'll hear each recording only once. You have 30 minutes for the audio and an additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. This structure is crucial for effective preparation. To improve, consistent practice is key. Use official IELTS sample tests to familiarize yourself with question types and timing. Actively listen to diverse English accents and topics, like news or documentaries, to broaden your comprehension. Develop efficient note-taking strategies during practice, as you only hear the audio once. Pay close attention to keywords and their synonyms in questions to anticipate answers. The IELTS listening test features several question types. Practice multiple-choice questions by eliminating incorrect options. Master sentence and note completion by listening for specific details and correct spelling. Develop your diagram and map labeling skills, paying attention to directions and landmarks. Also, hone your ability to match information and provide concise short answers. Each type requires a slightly different approach. On test day, read all instructions and questions thoroughly before the audio begins. This helps you anticipate information. Manage your time wisely, ensuring you allocate enough time for each section. When transferring answers, double-check your spelling and grammar, as errors can cost points. If you are unsure of an answer, make an educated guess. Never leave a question blank, as there is no penalty for incorrect answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.